What is up, my fellow jewelers? Today I'm talking about going to Micheals. I went to Micheals. I got some beads. I went to Micheals. I got lots of beads. Oh my goodness. So I really only went for one little thing. Probably like $2 worth of things. But you know me, I'm a beadaholic and I love me some beads. So I went in their bead section and their beads were on clearance. Not like 1 cent off or $1 off. Don't you hate when you go to clearance and they're like, ooh, 50 cents off? I'm like, that ain't clearance. That's just like pennies off. Come on. No. This was the real deal clearance off. There was like 50% off or more. I saved $200. What? I saved $200 on beads, on lots of beads, and I can't wait to share with you. So I went up to the cash register and I was like, so you got a lot of stuff on clearance? She's like, yes. When we have stuff on clearance, that's when I know that a big inventory is coming in. Lots more stuff is coming in and we're trying to get rid of much stuff as possible. And I was like, can you like let me know when you do this? Because I'd love to come buy more beads. Not like my husband would like that, but I would like to buy more beads. But she didn't really, she's like, haha, you're so cute. I'm like, haha, I'm serious. Anyway. So I want to show you what I got at Micheals. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe my channel and click that bell to get notifications because I'm all about the how-tos of jewelry making. I also like to show you when I get good deals. So I know I'm excited and I'm sure you're excited to see what I got. So you and me, let's get started. Oh my goodness, do you see all this stuff I got? I can't even believe I saved $200 on all the beads and accessories I got. So let me just go over it quickly because I'm super excited. So I got lots of tassels. I don't even know if tassels are anymore, but who cares? Look at these beautiful tassels. I can make them into earrings or pendants or whatever. These are super fun. These actually remind me more of the Hispanic culture. It's kind of like, I don't know, this paper like substance. I love it. I think it's so gorgeous. I can't wait to make like a necklace out of this, and then some more tassels and a big pendant. And then these are fun. This is actually wood and then some plastic, but they're super cute. Oh my goodness, look at these. And then I have, these I'm super excited about. I have so many ideas for different things to do. I can't wait to do videos on that. And then these I thought would be cute earrings or a cute pendant. We'll see what I'm in the mood for. And then let's get to the bead part. Okay, I got my lava beads, those I love essential oils. These are your jam. Oh my goodness, I'm thinking about just using like one per necklace or something. And then these are stone and they're super thick. And they're super cute and I love them. Like, do I make one necklace? Do I make like 5 necklaces? Do I make 2 necklaces? What do I do? And then I have these guys, all of these. Now, these are not really my colors. These are not the colors I go to, but these were the only beads on sale. They didn't have blue on sale or pink on sale or green on sale. And so I just got what was on sale. And so I love these red. The red are so bright. These are super heavy. They're super big. These were like $10, but they marked them down to $3. And then I love these coin-like beads. They're super thin and just round and cute. And yeah, they are heavy as well. And then I have my flashy beads, which have lots of facets on it, meaning different cuts on it. And the different facets make it really sparkle, which I love. You know me, I love me some sparkle. So I got some red sparkle, some white sparkle. These almost look plastic. My husband did not believe that these were glass, but they are, and they're super cute. And I love rondelle. I go crazy over rondelle, so I got some white rondelles. And then I got some cube clear and then some crazy amazing cut clear, and then kind of teardrop but different cuts on it as well. These remind me of like Betty or Wilma Flintstone. Oh my goodness, Betty Rubble or Wilma Flintstone. I think these are just the cat's meow. And they're kind of like rough. They're like they're not a smooth finish, and so they look even more like a Betty Rubble or Wilma Flintstone. And then these are just round and white, and I got some pearls, some flat coin pearls, and then some pink, and then my pearls over here, and then these guys. And then I have been getting a lot of views because people are looking up Martha Calvo. I probably said that wrong. Carlvo, I don't know, but she has this bracelet and necklace I've been wanting to make. And so I got these guys because these guys are in her necklace. And so I'm like, okay, let me get that. So that has been my experience at Micheals, and I love it. I love everything I got, and I'm super excited to make different pieces. Was that not like a ton of beads? Like a ton of beads. Now, Michael is definitely not a sponsor, not sponsoring this. I just went a little cuckoo crazy for some beads. And so I had to show you what I got. But I'm also doing 2 videos this week. That's right. Not 1, but 2 videos. I'm so sorry. I tried to do a video before I went on vacation, but my life got crazy. We had food bank and we had church and we had all these other things, and I just couldn't get a video in. So because I missed a week, I'm giving you 2 videos this week. That's right. You're welcome. But anyway, if you love what I do, you love my videos, make sure you go to my Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram, and I show some jewelry creations and I give some sneaky peekies of the weeky when I do jewelry pieces. But that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you for tuning in. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!